it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are doing a school supplies haul and my back to school giveaway. I do a back to school giveaway every single year around this time and it makes me so excited. I just love like giving back to you guys and everything. So everything that I will be hauling in this video, you guys can actually win, and it's also my second giveaway going on right now. I have a giveaway going on my Instagram. I'm doing a summer of giveaways basically on my Instagram, so every single day throughout the summer there'll be a giveaway going on. So go check that out. I think I'm giving away a $50 Forever 21 gift card right now. I also one more thing. I also did a vlog of me shopping for all the school supplies and giveaway stuff for you guys, so if you want to check it out, I'll have the link somewhere and also in the description box. This is the backpack that I got, you guys. It's from Steve Madden. It says Steve Madden right here, very like lightly. Do you see that? Oh, it's kind of heavy. Very lightly. And then there's like this little cute, yeah. And then it also comes with this little like makeup bag and a keychain that says Steve Madden as well. Very heavy. Lots of good stuff. So let's just get started. First thing we have is this yellow pencil case. I wanted to get you guys this like really pretty yellow color because it's super trendy right now and I thought that you guys would really like it. Something to put your pencils and stuff like that in. And then I also got you guys this Medi-Aid first aid kit. So it has over 500 items, perfect for on the go. Band-aids, ointment, wipes, gauze pad, tweezers. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. Comes with a lot of stuff. I got you guys that just in case you accidentally hurt yourself. If you're like me, you're a mess too and you're constantly like injuring yourself somehow. You don't even know how you're injuring yourself, but you are. If you're like me. If you're like me, you're also like eating your hair right now. Ugh. I got you guys this binder. I thought it was so cute. I'm from Arizona, so I thought it was like a nice little touch for like me to you. A 1-inch binder. It has these cute little cacti and it's like this peachy kind of orange color, and if you guys know me, I hate the color orange, but like this like peachy orange color it's okay by me. It also has pockets in here and the inside is such a pretty color, so I thought this would be nice if you have a class that requires a binder. I also got you guys some folders, so I wanted to get you guys cute ones. So this one has like polka dots and teal, this one is pink with polka dots, and this one's black and white with polka dots. Lots of polka dots. Sorry, I didn't know how many folders and notebooks to get you guys because I didn't know how many classes you'd be taking, so I played it safe and I went with 3. I know some people may have more classes, but I don't think any more would fit in this backpack because it's so stuffed. You'll also be getting this white notebook. I got you guys like the nice like plasticky ones so they won't like ruin by the end of the school year, you know, and like the cardboard stuff, it just like it gets horrible. Oh, don't get me started. And then I got you guys this, I don't even know, is this like green or like this color? Whatever this color is called. And then this is so pretty. I love this color. It's so gorgeous. And these are college ruled, by the way. I also got you guys 2 things of loose leaf office paper, loose leaf paper for classes and stuff, because I know a lot of classes require loose leaf paper. It's called ruled filler paper. Okay. And this is college ruled as well. And you would know why they named it college ruled, because like shouldn't there be like high school ruled, elementary school, middle, blah. You know, I was trying to make a joke, but then I just stuttered, so it didn't really work out. So we're not gonna make jokes anymore. I also got you guys this composition notebook. This is again is like a nice like plasticky one. I know some classes also require composition. There's a piece of hair on it and it's not mine. That's gross. But composition notebook. And then I got you guys this really pretty calculator because math. And it's like this beautiful periwinkle color. I saw this and I was like, oh, they need it. It's a TI 30X 2S, I think. I don't know. It's small. It'll fit in your backpack very nicely. Also got you guys some whiteout. They're calling it correction tape. I guess this isn't name brand. The reason I got you guys this was because I thought it was pretty. And that's all. I also got you guys some mechanical pencils. These are the Bic pencils. I also got you guys these because they're sparkly. And there's a lot of them, so you could be the person that like gives out pencils. Because you know when every single person ever asks you for a pencil and you're like, here you go. Just like with your pencils. These are the pencils that you give to people you don't like. We all have those people that ask. I also got you guys this mini planner. One of my biggest tips for staying organized in school is to have a good planner. It doesn't have the lines on it, which kind of bother me, but like none of them really had lines. We're gonna live with it. A nice small one to fit in your backpack. Like also keep you organized and stay on track and get your homework complete. Anything in here? Did I put anything in this pocket? Because I didn't. In this backpack there's pockets right here and then there's little pockets right here, and in one of them I put the Morphe highlight and contour beauty sponge. So it's basically like Morphe's beauty blender. I use this every day. I used it today to apply my foundation and concealer and powder. Really good. Thought I'd give it to you guys so you can beat your face in the morning. And then there's also 3 pockets here. So in this one, only 2 things fit in there. I have these 2 purple glue sticks. If you guys have been watching my channel or seen my videos from like when I was like 14, purple glue sticks are like a staple to my back to school season channel. That made no sense. You know what I mean though. One of my first memories ever, I think I was going into like kindergarten or preschool, school was seeing the commercial for the purple glue sticks when they first came out, when they were first like a new thing. I was so excited to go back to school because I wanted a purple glue stick. And so every single year I make sure to get you guys some. I also got you guys this. It is a little sticker that you attach to the back of your phone case and you put like cards and stuff. Where's my phone? Oh, hiding my cards. But I have one right here, and like I just put like my debit card, my ID, my school ID. These come in handy. Oh, they're the best thing ever. I never have to take... Sorry, I just got a text. I never have to carry a purse anywhere because I just have everything on me, so I wanted to get you guys this one. I thought gray was a neutral color. Going into the bigger small pocket. Oh, there's lots of stuff in here. Cool. I got you guys some flashcards. These are 100 blank flashcards. Flashcards are one of my favorite ways to study. Thought I'd get you some. Oh, dropped that. I also got you some, talking who? Don't know her. Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I have not been in school in a really long time, so I don't know how to read right now. A little travel mini dry shampoo for you guys, just to, I don't know if your hair looks greasy, something. I just thought it was like cute, you know, like mini like travel size things. They're so cute. How do you not buy them? I also got you guys some good mechanical pencils. These are the Papermate ones. These are my favorite ones. These are the kinds that you do not hand out to people. These are the kinds you use, and these are your backups, you know. I wanted to get you guys my favorite ones. These are also my favorite highlighters because they're like really pretty, but they're also really good. These are the Sharpie brand. Apparently they don't smear. There's a smear guard. I have no idea how they do that, but they do it. Big fan of these. I'm shaking them. Don't know why. And then onto the little pocket. Woo, so cute. Oh, I guess I only have one thing in here. These are pens. Obviously, duh, you can see them. These are the Papermate Inkjoy pens, and there's now bonus pens. Oh. They're gel pens. They're reduced smearing. I personally only write in pens. I used to write in pencils all the time, and then I realized that pens are a lot prettier. And so I only write in pens now, so I wanted to get you guys like a bigger pack of pens so you guys can do that. Now we're going on into the little makeup pouch that comes with it, and you can also take this off. And you can also take the keychain off if you don't like it. Okay, so I have some makeup items in here that I wanted to give you guys. So the first one is, okay, wait, let me backtrack. So it's kind of loud. I have two of these. These are the Rimmel Magnify Eyes, and then this one is the blush edition, and this one is the crimson edition. I didn't know who's gonna be winning this, obviously, so I didn't know what their skin tone would be like, blah, blah, blah. So I wanted to get you guys a variety of palettes. So this one is the blush edition, which I have personally. I think it looks really well on skin tones like mine. This one reminds me a lot of the Urban Decay Naked palette, the one that they like got rid of because I don't know why they did. I'm not on their board. I personally really like that palette. I'm kind of upset they got rid of it, but this one reminds me exactly of it. So I got you guys this one, and then maybe for like deeper skin tones, or even if you don't have deeper skin tones and you just like these colors, I just want to get you guys a variety of things. This one is like more crimson red blush. Like I just think this is really pretty too. Got you guys two eyeshadow palettes to play around with. I also got you a mascara. This is the Rimmel Wow Wings mascara, up to 11 times the volume. Okay, who tested that out, Rimmel? I'd like to see that. And then I also got you guys my favorite highlighter. I'm wearing it right now. Ooh, she highlighted. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. It's my favorite one. I've been using this for almost 2 years, I think. It's so pretty, and also like the little indentation they have on the palette, like our pan, so pretty. That's what I got you guys. That's it. I think that's all, unless I forgot something. Oh, I will also be writing you guys like a cute little thank you note too, so like I'll go in there. So let's go on to the rules. Obviously, like your favorite part of the video. I'm just kidding, like probably no one cares, but I care. This giveaway is to give back to my subscribers, and thank you guys so much for supporting me and following me, blah blah blah. So the first thing that you need to do is subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, that's cool. It's like click the button. It'll be super easy, super fun. You just, there you go. Check one. Number two is to follow me on Instagram. I'll have my little handle here, but I mean, you should already be following me on Instagram and entering my other giveaways. So like, this giveaway is on Instagram, so I'll be checking if you're following me on Instagram and if you're subscribed. I actually have had 2 winners now where I was like, oh my god, they won, and I was about to like go DM them, and then I was like, oh, you're not following me. You didn't follow the rules. Bye. So they didn't win. That's happened twice now. So make sure you're following me because I will be checking because I have to DM you. How to enter is you're going to post a photo on Instagram and use the hashtag Keegan. Ow. Just stabbed myself with my nail. Hashtag Keegan's back to school giveaway. It can be a photo, whatever. You can like screenshot this video. It can be like a selfie. It could be a picture of your dog. I definitely will not be mad if it's a picture of your dog. It just has to be a new photo. So you can't take a photo of you from 125 weeks ago and then put the hashtag on it and call it a date. It has to be a new photo that was uploaded, posted from like this day on. Yeah. Don't tag me on the photo because it kind of like fills up my like whatever that thing is called, or like notifies you and like people do stuff to your Instagram, you know what I mean? And I really like communicating with you guys and like talking to you on Instagram, so it kind of like floods that area. So don't tag me. If you use the hashtag, I will see it It'll be great. You can enter as many times as you want, and if you want bonus entries, just take this video, like screenshot it or something, and then post it to your story, and you can tag me on that. So that's a little bonus entry for you guys. If you are under 18, make sure you ask for your parents' permission, because I will be asking for your address to send this to you, and I don't want your parents to be like, why is this girl on the internet sending you stuff? What if there's like a bomb in it? Like, there will not be a bomb in there, but like they could think that. I will contact the winner through their Instagram DMs. This giveaway is international and it ends August 15th. It is so hard to find a date to end this giveaway, because I know some people start really early. Like, I know some people are starting next week, then I know some people start at the very end of September. So I thought August 15th was like a good in the middle date. It's a month, so this giveaway is going to be open for 1 month. Even if you start school already, you can like still have some like cute makeup and stuff, so like it'll be fine. It'll be great. It'll be awesome. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel and like just being such great people. And you guys have like made my entire life. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, like, I would not be the person who I am today without you, and I want to give back to you as much as I possibly can, because you guys have done so much for me. I love you. Don't forget to enter this giveaway and then my other giveaway. I don't know, I just like did that whole thing there, but I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!